The VIVO X300 comes with 6.31 inches Full HD plus LTPO AMOLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, and armor glass protection, rear camera's 200-megapixel main with OIS, plus 50-megapixel periscope, telephoto with OIS, plus 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with 4K video, 50-megapixel selfie. With 4K video, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9500 3nm chipset, it runs on Android 16. With Origin OS 6, comes with 12GB, 16GB of LPDDR5X Ultra RAM, and 256GB. 512GB of UFS 4.1 storage, no microSD. Backed by a massive 6040 mAh battery with 90-watt charging, measures 7.95mm thickness and 190 grams weight, and colors mist blue, Elite Black, and Summit Red. Other features includes in-display fingerprint sensor, dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS, NFC, USB Type-C, stereo speakers, IR blaster, and IP68, IP69. Rating. Pricing start at 75,999 Indian rupees for the 12GB plus 256GB model.